Honorable Minister.
When you haven't caught me having sexual intercourse with your wife, or your daughter, or your mother.
Honorable.
Mami Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say happy new month to you also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following us. And thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. Ebuzianfo. Ese o mining nyina nke boom. Na yesre ye mami a efre no Ursula Owusu. Na yempa ne chow. Asema ameka no. Enye se miye MPP ninti. But sometimes we don't treat people fairly. We don't. And we must accept that we have not treated the woman fairly. And sorry to say this, but Honorable Muntala, of blessed memory. Yes, me person me kamo. Assembly ebe mama is sad. No. But Muntala should be ashamed wherever he is. So heaven or wherever. He should be ashamed. Or he should feel sad wherever he is. Mu this bill. Trumu bill yi. Echo Parliament no. Ursula Owusu sorry eka say there are provisions about bill we mono standing against human rights. And the ebeya mun shena mun sesa. Ni suggestion no. Onya ka pe ena NDC for sorry say onu Ursula Owusu no or ye lesbian.
The statement I remember I made several statements, but the statement I remember vividly I made, I said every single member in this house must be allowed to debate on the issue, so we know the position of every single member of this house, those who are for it and those who are against it. I have made that statement. So if that is the statement you are asking me to withdraw, I humbly withdraw that statement.
Honorable.
Sana NDC for Kai. It became something that was chrome her. Yes, serious propaganda NDC for yeah. Adentia. Bonnie Bain. Yen one who send ambi. Nipa no suggestion is say. Ade amodebano. Niema bi woma. Say jituma. Nkrofo de yebeko Supreme Court. Na omudi yeko Supreme Court na ebe ha adwen. But because na NDC for pesa asem no e dia ye propaganda nti. Say debida. No way. And nessa bill Ursula Owusu akana sem say. Enye no. Anka ebe ya yen sisa niema bi wo mu no. NDC for so a lesbian no. And ne NDC for. This bill labor parliament na omo asisa niema maku 31 Ephraim. Yeah. Enti say omo ko pe Ursula Owusu na mo pa na chow.
Honorable member, you made a specific statement in relation to the minister.
I sat here and repeatedly heard Honorable Mutala refer to me as a practitioner of LGBT to the hearing of everyone in this house. I sat here and repeatedly heard him
Honorable Minister.
shout at the top of his voice and refer to me as a practitioner of LGBTQ. And every single last one of you is behaving as if you didn't hear it. And if in response to that I say he is mad, it is only a madman who will refer to his colleague in this house as a practitioner of LGBTQ. When you haven't seen me having sexual intercourse with your wife or your daughter or your mother.
Honorable Minister.
When you haven't caught me having sexual intercourse with your wife or your daughter or your mother,
Honorable
you sit
Minister.
there and refer to me in those terms. In those terms.
Honorable Minister.
And we call ourselves honorable members of this house. When you all hear it and pretend that suddenly you've lost your sense of hearing.
Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister, I beg of you, do me that honest, please. Honorable Minister.
Yeah, you must go and beg Ursula Owusu for dragging her name in the mud, for calling her a lesbian. You must beg her. You must apologize to her. Because she's a brainy. She saw the future. On him say, "Adia we pass here. Edi assemble ba. Edi legal issues beba. Na legal issue bia. Omainu representative woman no. Scaneko. But must say bida. Must say penny. Mudi he campaign. And now maba power. Maba sesa nyama maku 31. You should be ashamed, NDC. You should be ashamed. Including the power wunsu. And so on so you ashamed. Send the party about power in ne. Master son ma 31 never bill nemo. Eyi nyama be brave free mukra. And ne crowd among penny outina su mahama. Or see on sign it. Yeah. Or see on sign it. At the moody back kwa on sign it. Yeah. Breaking news no. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia. Se wope photographers omunim juma. Eba no editing, omu twa pictures, omu cameras akese, lenses akese, omu drones ni bibia ope bia no. A touch of the way photography for omu naba air screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say assassin bimpo na wo na ope say wo hear drone video, ni drone pictures of assassina. But modern say wa contact touch of the way photography. Bebia upe so omu ye juma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no. Omu ye claro na omu ya ma and omu ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot. What more manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you the special discount. Ebusianfo maybe sounds to say umboy. When we say Ghana Sem TVGH there, we are a community, right? And that is why your feedbacks are important. That's why we respond to your feedbacks and everything. But also we need help with some of our gadgets. We need help with our studio that we want to move to and all those things. And now, the number is on your screen. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, right here. That is the number. We would accept it. The other time someone sent me 50 Ghana cedis. I was so happy. So happy. Yes. So thank you so much for your contributions. Please keep helping us.
Memetona mehwe mahama ni nsem bia no keka. Meme de ma dwumi ya mefiri se wabo onom nsa. Nti na bia because me metona metie ni din pa na me nte Ghana fo ase.
Debio.
Me tie ni kasa ni nsem bia nsisi so ma.
Ana sana obi a wo broke kasa. I mean how are you situating it?
Obi a me hu obi a wabu deep pa na me.
Anyame dantoloni eto dawa ebuzu wa eto dawa de enche.
Otimi kan we ade achi obosu adan na no kan ade a ono ne kan na oba no kan different. Nti me hwe ne sa me say satan no kasa no abo ne nso wabo ana. Nti se me hwe na mintimi nhu nipa we a Ghana fo otimi igina because me hwe mahama 2012 to 2016 a eniema pa mahama beye ye ono kwan na ba mabu a wonhu de wonye no ana ono kwa menyi ni se onim so be bi metimi kotena afie esa timi be keka nsem fufu twa nto abla na ni video ni nsem o kan ye me fa say 8 years pen na edem ma Ghana for timi sa to aba Mahama na me dwene ho amenti ase na ene ewiase na ekonanim nyansa ne ani bie ne ba na eba enso Ghana for ni bibiri still 39 no moda so tama na ani bie ma ye na eyin enti NDC akoye type bi say obi a woso no ma ebia woso woton nam na ade nugu kentem no ade ntoma kata so na wo pai enamo na nso bebie so ne namba akokora na so enti me de meka kire MPP fo ne se mo a mo ben empanyfo no ese mo omani yedin ese mo mani bele because Ghana fo ni bi no obetima ka kire nsa ade ye white obetima ka nsa tuntum obetima ka wo no ehu se ye white obeka tuntum na ebetuntum ama no so ka se tuntum ni bia nso na ade ne ye white pa Mahama no ma wo ye sa Kevin Taylor we a mihu sa guy we mihu ne physical da ba se ogina ho a ne tentene ne kase nyina enuru me bema wo hwe ne kon a se ye twa so ana afi ye di group bi aso ne kon itim be gina odi mpanfo atem na se wo Mahama wo ye no ma fun ke kan kwase asem ne se ne tentene ne kase nyina enuru me bema me kan je Kevin Taylor nye bema nipa fun bi enu ho esene sa guy no nipa tan pa isi ya mo na enwio se die be yo itimi gina odi obi atem
we the screen recorder say record man boy the me yaho
itimi di obi atem se Kevin Taylor so gina odi kan
some boy power ni bi why now I think so hoye de some bobio
se Kevin Taylor we isoli gina ho a unhu ne konkora ne kon unhu obega se yatwa so ana ya di group ya che ne kon ana wo de mo pa mo study ni pa na mo check nhwe the kon titi de unhu ne minimum o say yo itimi di mpanfo atem wo Mahama di nsem hunu ebebu amamu traka nsem fun we ne se ye kokan wo se ma chew ne tenten kesi nyina nu me be ma me kan ko na chew ya hwe ne nsa wo de hwe ne nsa na batwa asi ne hwe Kevin tantan we si ya mo na enwi o se de bi o nipa fun we wo huhuru na fun so se twoboi huhuru tantan we makofa na betena o ma ebie TV itua ne ka every month bia mani ska so me di mpanfo atem na wo bu amamu fun di nkwasi asem ne se ye ko kan asma chew hwe MPP fo mpanfo nyina nsole na me de ade America ne se MPP ba omia so obedi o man we so 2028 ne se we jan NDC fo pa obi oto oba man NDC kura se ye che no obi a woto amba enya fe ne ye de wo be famla kwai so because omunim say hwe tama no mo start ache chama untumi omo kan sem bibiri ana wakoji sika bi ana waye kwai bi wantu aka wanye kwai no waji sika bi waye se omo kan sem bibiri enso wie hwe asem omo di gina court enu nti na me se NDC ayes obi a woton nam no wakata so na o pai de
sorry chema untumi nko ani obi at same case somebody no call for different court at the same time.
Yeah.
abroad. They just want to destroy that man. But in fact,
there's a minimum say at the end of more yen. And yen no cray better. Baby can't touch the gun of war. Little baby no money evidence. Be a no money and baby no my head that. Just on my imagine so more how. And the identity say will be a discount mon fan court. Now I just a more betting at 2 4 semo. She bonia no more deeper ambulance ya. Omko krabai. And so will be chiom. Because now MPP for evidence in Timo don't call court. By name so many evidence, that what it was Ombe na asem na jiagu. It immediately make can say Mahama ye nya no say ye be kan asem ye be kan che say me afi na me be start pa Mahama do be ye nya bia na ye be kan ani o ensa wo no miem ye no nchie nyina na ye ma no kwan so da hwe MPP for mo mani embre o mo mani embre pa na o mo nsoli ngina propaganda na doso ene ni bia ba che say ye do man ni kuye ni no o mo de akire na tete de na o mo pe nti no mo pese obi abeko school.
Okay.
Nti me de mo amu akwanya mo ben o mo mesele mo mo ni mele na Kevin Taylor fun ye timi tua ne kama ni di atem bia ye nso ye be di atem.
Okay.
Ye be keke bia kire Mahama pa. Nti we de